Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video. If your Coolpix is not working for Nikon, I was looking for the solution like everywhere, how to possibly fix the issue and how to like fix it, because there can be a problem just with the battery. So nothing else, just the battery could be like that. So what do you need to do? And this is just like opportunity for you. So you just want to look for this like complete battery source site where you're gonna have the Nikon Coolpix SQ battery that you can check out. So check for the SQ and if it's going to be for your Coolpix. And if it looks like that, and this is something that you want to actually get, then maybe if it's like the battery is just dead completely and it just need to be replaced. I just want to make this like really quick video, and I hope it helped you at least a little bit. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.